I want to do something, I find somebody that already knows how to fucking do it, and I just pay them to teach me. Why would I waste my time trying to figure it out? Time is valuable, dude. I don't have 300 lives to live. I have one. So why am I gonna spend so much time if there's a convenience and an easier way to fucking do it, and just be able to have a mentor that's going to make the process way faster and allow me not to lose money and go through trial and error and headaches and all that shit. Just like investing in real estate, I learned from someone that knows how to do it way better than I ever did. I wasn't gonna go and spend hundreds of thousands of dollars on a property and realize it fucking sucks. I actually made that mistake. That was the first property that I bought. I didn't do the calculations right or anything like that. Fortunately, it went very high up in price. I didn't fuck up that much, but in terms of cash flow, it didn't really cash flow much, which I fucked up because I didn't know what I was doing at the time the way that I do now. It is what it is, guys. It's education. You gotta fucking do it. You gotta have skin in the game, and you have to invest in yourself. And if you can't do that, you might not be successful in what you're trying to do at all, or it might take you years on years on years, and a lot of stress, a lot of headache, a lot of trial and error. I don't know if you guys have seen the Arnold Schwarzenegger documentary, right? But he says in the documentary, I'm not self-made. What made me is my mentors.